Kylie, let's head to France.
Wouldn't it be nice if we could just
Yes, you're going to show us a graphic of France. But listen, you told me about this. We did a presentation, and I was like, oh my God, I need this in my life. Because I saw this presentation, I saw that it cleans like, you know, the sinks, the stainless steel sinks. It even gently cleans jewelry, silver. It goes on and on. It is so famous. Bio cleaner, it always sells out. In fact, all of them are sold out, all the different scents except the original. That's what I saw. It is a set of 2. It lasts, I can't say forever, but it lasts so long, and you'll see why. 17.5 ounce cleaning clay with the towel and the sponge, and it's exclusive to QVC all the way from France. Exclusive, only available in the original, and look at that. Did you see that? All right, Kylie, I got it at home. I did everything that we talked about.
Yes.
I cleaned my plastic. I don't know why my builder used a plastic, you know, sink.
Oh, sure.
And then I got all the stains out. And then I took my expensive silver, and I'm like, I'm gonna try this at home. And I tried it, and it cleaned it.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me.
It's amazing.
I'm excited.
It truly is multi-surface, multi-purpose. And the reason why you want to pick this one up is because typically we do the 10-ounce size right here. But this set is the super size. So you're getting 2 of these, 2 sponges, 2 cloths. And compared to the 10-ounce, this one's 17.5 ounces. So it's almost double what you typically get. And here's the beauty of it. A little bit goes a long way. You're reducing that chemical footprint. And all you do is you're going to activate the sponge that you're getting with a little bit of water. And what this is a hard-packed clay that comes to us from the southeast region of France, that little village called Lenarge that you saw in that video right there. The only place in the world that you can get it. And it has this miraculous ability to scrub without scratching. So just a little tiny bit on here. I'm going to go right down to my glass stovetop because that's an area that would typically need a caustic chemical cleaner. And if you didn't clean it properly, you run the risk of actually scratching it. So immediately what it does is it does a great job on the kind of mess that we have here. But check out what it does on the burnt on mess right here. A little bit of movement with that sponge and that clay is going to work scrubbing.
The clay does the work.
Yes, without scratching. Now all I have to do, Nance, is I take one of the microfiber cloths that come with it, and I'm just going to wipe this up. And what you're going to notice is we've got all that mess up, but you could literally cook and eat on that surface because you're not using a caustic chemical cleaner.
My line producer, Fran, is like telling me how much he loves it. And I'm like, Fran, I agree with you. I got this at home and then I like did everything with it. And everything she says is so true. She said the grill.
The grill. Oh my gosh.
Grill. I also love that you could put food, you know, like,
and that's the thing.
You can't do that with chemical stuff.
Right. You've got to be very careful with chemical cleaners. You've got to wash them off. You've got to make sure that it's off the surface. So if you can help reduce that chemical footprint, that's why we love the bio cleaner line so much. So wet your sponge. You're literally going to take it, rub it on the surface of the clay. A little bit goes a long way. You don't need a ton at all, which is why Nance said incredibly economical. Now I can move down to the bathroom. So we can go from kitchens to bathrooms to indoors to out. All around the house, truly multi-surface and multi-purpose. So here's the soap scum, but it could be the mold, it could be the mildew, and that bio cleaner again has this beautiful ability to scrub without scratching. Now in the bathroom, what I would do was just hose it right off with the shower. But here, I'm just gonna take one of my cloths and wipe it up, and what you're gonna notice is that tile literally looks like the day that we installed it. It's so vibrant, so bright, all of that soap scum is off. And you didn't use a caustic chemical cleaner.
Because it lasts so long, and you're getting 2 of the super sizes.
Yes, this is everything you're getting right here.
People are stocking up, and I was getting a little scared too. Fran, I was like thinking, you know what, I know that my super size is gonna last forever. I didn't even make a dent in this. You're getting the sponge, you're getting the microfiber, but it doesn't come that often, and it always sells out. And can I tell you, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other scents completely sold out. It doesn't come often, but hello, original, stock up, and people are picking up more.
And here's what we'll say about the original, just has a slight little citrus undertone, and none of them are super overpowering because they're made with essential oils. It's the clay that's doing the job. And again,
it's hard clay, so it's like little tiny bit. I'm sorry,
goes a long way. And this is what you normally get, the 10-ounce size. 17.5 is almost double what we typically bring. You get 2 of them. And okay, we'll go to this. Yes, we will, because when it was actually created, it
started with jewelry.
Bio cleaner was formulated to clean fine jewelry. And then they realized you can use it all around your house. So here's 2 things. We actually grabbed these from an antique store.
Your most prized possession.
Yes. So it could be the silver cup, but look at the silver pot. This is what it looks like when we found it. This is what it looked like after we used the bio cleaner. Same with the brass pot right here. What it looked like before, You can see it's kind of tarnished, not so great.
Look at that.
Brings the vibrancy back, which is amazing. And now we're going to take a look at the factory itself, because this is another reason why we love BioCleaner.
Anything from France and Europe gets me really excited.
Look at that beautiful snow white quarry. It's literally the only place in the world that you can find BioCleaner. They still hand pack it the same way that they've always done.
From the mountains?
Yes, it's this beautiful snow white quarry in Lanarche, the southeast region of France. So it's extra special, and you can see that's how it comes to us. But typically in the 10-ounce size. This is the super size. And again, you activate it with water. A little bit goes a long way. So you just get a little bit on your sponge. And I'm going to take it down to our granite surface in the last 30 seconds. Just another thing that you would need a caustic chemical specialty cleaner. I'm literally just going to rub a little bit, use my towel to wipe this away. And look at the difference.
Oh my gosh.
It brings it back to life like the day
I didn't even know it was so dirty. I didn't even know it was so dirty. Listen, I love this so much.
Yes, it's good.
There's only 600. That's a last choice, by the way. You get this whole set. It is a super size. I'm not going to say it lasts forever, but it lasts so long.
So long.
Just the tiniest little scrub, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's working. This was I had a huge teapot. It got this clean. Okay.
You should bring it in.
I know.
Next time,
well,
bring
no,
it
it's
in.
this big. Actually, it's this big, but it worked. Started with jewelry.
Take a picture.
All the way from France, and I love it so much. Thank you for letting me discover this. I'm very excited about the BioCleaner. And it doesn't come that often either. It sells out. We're about to sell out, by the way.